Many people also asked me, "Ki, do give us the tour of double AC room also." So here it is. This is the tour of double sharing AC room at IIM Nagpur. आप अंदर enter करते हो, enter करते ही on the right side you have your washroom, on the left side you have kitchen, and this is a single room जिसका अगर आपको टूर देखना हो तो मैंने अलग से बनाया हुआ है, so do check it out. Moving on to double sharing AC rooms tour. Now this is how the double sharing AC room looks. You get two beds for two people, you get two drawers, you get one big table, another small table which was attached over here, which was somehow, it gotten loose, so we have kept it outside. But that table is basically the half size of this table. Width lengthwise it is this much only, but widthwise इससे आधा है. वो छोड़ के आपको वहाँ पे जो कोई भी वो टेबल यूज़ करेगा उसके लिए ये बोर्ड वगैरह मिल जाता है. एंड आपको एक यहाँ पे बड़ा सा कबर्ड मिल जाता है. कबर्ड छोड़ के दो लाइट्स तो है ही, अपने इंडिविजुअल दोनों के लिए रीडिंग लैम्प्स है. सो या दिस इज़ हाउ द एंटायर रूम लुक्स. बेड के साथ ऑब्वियसली आपको मैट्रेस भी मिल जाता है, और दोनों बेड के साथ में आपको जो कुशन वुशन है वो खुद से अरेंज करना पड़ता है. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, because this is just one cupboard, you would say, where is the another cupboard? So another cupboard is usually kept inside. So this is where the second cupboard is. Okay, so yeah, one person has to take the outside cupboard, one person has to take the inside cupboard. Now apart from cupboards, you do get this kitchen area where you have your whatever utensils, washing area, basin, you have some trolleys to keep your utensils and stuff, some also more cupboards where you can keep your food. And yeah, so this is how the kitchen looks, where you have your one cupboard. Apart from this, you do get a shoe shelf. So this is a shoe shelf that you get, but this is shared between the person who is living in the single room and the two persons who are living in the double sharing room. And that's why I have another small shoe shelf kept over here. So yeah, this is the shoe shelf that you get. And then there is this washroom. Okay, now in the washroom you will firstly see that there is this humongous mirror that you get. Okay, now with the mirror you get a very nice basin and wash basin, whatever it is. Then there's a toilet, then there is a glass separating the bathing area. So yeah, in bathing area you do get shower, you get hot water, everything is there. And yeah, this is how the bathroom looks. I think this pretty much covers the entire room's tour, apart from one thing, and that is the best thing that we have in our college. That is a balcony for each individual room. Let me show you how does the balcony look and what is the view from this balcony. Let me switch the camera and show you how amazing it looks. Look at this. This is the view that we get from our balcony, and this is our balcony. Now you would say this is small. This is very small. This must be around 3 feet. But come to this side, and this is obviously the single AC room, but you get these clothes drying racks, and that's the table I was talking about. So yeah, this is how the balcony looks. You have a decent area shared between three people, obviously, but you have a decent enough area. So yeah, this is how the balcony looks. And look at this view, how beautiful this view is. I have tennis courts ka view, basketball courts, essentials block, and even there's some amount of jungle and sports complex. So yeah, this is how the double sharing AC room is at IIM Nagpur. Apart from this, on each floor you do get washing machine, you do get a water filter, and there is one BVG helper that is there on each floor. Yeah, that pretty much covers it. There's also a terrace and near the lifts, and also a lobby area where you can hang out. So yeah, that's how the entire hostel facilities are. Overall, very good facilities, and obviously I forgot to show you the AC. So yeah, I guess this pretty much covers the room tour. I hope you liked it. If you did, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, then make sure to comment them down below. I will try to answer as many as possible. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.